Exposing the secret fixes in Windows for when Steam just won't open. Been there, done that. Let's break it down step by step. No jargon, just quick solutions that work. First things first, restart your PC. Seriously, it fixes more than you think. If that doesn't work, right-click your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Still stuck? Open Task Manager, end any Steam processes you find, then try again. Network acting up? Restart your modem and router. Sometimes it's just your internet being moody. Make sure your Windows and graphics drivers are up to date. Old drivers can mess with Steam's launch. If Steam's still stubborn, clear its download cache from the Settings menu. Next, check your antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable them to see if they're blocking Steam, and if that works, add Steam to the safe list. Still no luck? Try verifying the integrity of your game files. As a last resort, back up your Steam Apps folder and reinstall Steam. Quick recap. Restart. Run as admin, check Task Manager, update everything, clear cache, review security settings, verify files, and finally, reinstall.